Hello angels, welcome back to another video. So in this video we're going to be making my Cowboy Carter hat because I'm going to Beyonce's concert. This applique I got from Planet Rhinestones. I got it years and years ago. Probably years and years ago. So I'll leave the link for that down in the description box down below. This is how it's looking. It does come with mesh. All you have to do is just cut off the mesh and then you can just glue it on, sew it on. Since I'm going to be using this for my hat, it makes sense to just glue it down. I'm going to be gluing it down with my E6000 glue and my hot gun as well. The hat I got from Amazon. The hat came with some rhinestone with some stars, some letter, and some rhinestone to go around the corner. I'm just taking it out of the package. I love it. Kind of have like a velvety feeling to it. velvety feeling to it. And it fits so good. It's so nice. Amazing quality. I love it. This is how it looks as it comes out of the package. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks in the sun. It's white. It is gorgeous. Look at it up close. Just gorgeous. I like it. It's better than the hat that I was planning on just using. This is the applique on top. Obviously I have not cut off the mesh for the applique. I haven't done anything yet, but I just wanted to see how it would look on the hat, how it would blend in and everything. These are the glues that we're going to be using. And like I said, we're going to be using the hot glue gun as well. Just around the corner because I need to be able to get it onto the hat so that it can dry down with the glue. Look at how it looks in the sunshine. Just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Now I'm just cutting off the mesh from the applique with my scissors. This DIY, all you're going to need is a hat, an applique, scissors, glue. And that's pretty much it. Quick and easy. This took a few seconds. I had to make sure that I wasn't cutting off any of the fringe from the applique. So I did this pretty simple, pretty easy. This is how it looks. This is how the applique look after I completely cut off the white mesh. You really can't see if there's like any left over at the corners, which is perfect. That is exactly what I wanted. I didn't want to cut way too close to the applique because I could cut something and then just mess it up. So this was perfect. I'm just seeing how it looks on the hat, and I am absolutely in love already. This just looks so gorgeous. The applique does add a little weight to the hat, but yeah, that's okay. So with my E6000 glue, my glue right here, I'm going to be giving this applique a very, very generous amount. And then for some weird reason, I went in with the B600. That's not the glue. Just going in there as well. Just adding glue on top of glue. Just want to make sure that this was not moving around. This was not shifting. It was impossible for it to basically remove from the hat. Now I'm trying to think if I should have just used the hot glue gun all over it. And then when I was finished, then I could just peel it off the hat and then use the applique for something else. But I just wanted to make sure that the applique would not lift from the hat. So I went with the glue. It's fine. I'll figure out a way to remove the applique after the concert. Maybe I want to use it for something else. So I went over it again with the glue because obviously that was not enough. I was just showing you guys what I was doing on camera. And now my facial expression throughout all of this is just a mess because I'm trying to get the glue on there. Now I'm trying to realize that I should have done this in section, glue it down, and then stick it onto the hat. And then I wouldn't be having to have all of this applique. It was just way too much. And obviously it has fringe on it, so the fringe was getting stuck onto the glue. The glue was getting stuck onto my hands. It was just a complete mess, just a lot. And I didn't even stick it on there correctly, so I had to go over it again. Which, you live, you learn. It wasn't on there perfectly, so I had to shift it around a little bit. Right around the corner of the edge of the hat, that's where I went in with my hot glue gun. And obviously around these little corners and sides, there was no hot glue gun, so there's no hot glue. So I have to go over it again with my E6000 glue. So that's what I'm doing right here real quick. Add on the glue on there. Now I'm just sticking it down, making sure that it's secure on there perfectly. Gonna do the exact same thing for the side. The bottom I realized was lifting up a little bit. even though they had on glue on there, but some spot I missed, so I just went over it again with my E6000 glue. And the hat came with this thing right here. So I'm going to be putting it onto the hat, leaving it overnight so that the glue and everything everything just stays in one place. That's the purpose of me just putting the plastic back onto the hat. This is just how it looks outside. I'm going to let it stay on there for 24 hours so that the applique doesn't move around. It doesn't shift. Everything stays in place. That's just the whole purpose. The hat came with some stars, some rhinestone letters. Everything is rhinestone. I wanted to do Cowboy Carter, but it wasn't enough letters. It only came with enough letters for the alphabet, so I just went with the stars. Maybe I could get some more rhinestone letters, and then I could just do Cowboy Carter or something. I don't quite know, but for now, we're just going to be using the stars, and that should be all. Let everything dry, then in the morning, go back over this. These appliques smell so bad. These are the stickers appliques. So you just remove the sticker. You can stick it onto anything. So just let it sit out and air out. Alrighty, so this is going to be the last part. These are the little rhinestone stars that came with the cowboy hat. You can decorate it yourself. So all I'm going to do is peel off the plastic that's on top and then peel off the sticker that's at the back of it. And then you can stick it onto any object. Obviously, we're going to be putting this onto the cowboy hat. It only came with 6, so 3 on both sides, and it's just that simple. My hands are super ashy. I think it's because of the glue or the hot glue gun. I could have this lotion it, but I just wanted to be finished with this project because I still have my top. I don't know if I'm gonna do a pants. I do already have a pants, but I was thinking about making something else, making a different pants or a different skirt. I don't know yet, so I was just trying to finish this as quickly as possible. So yeah, kind of explain why I'm so ashy. And I'm trying to spread these out as best as I can. Unfortunately, I will not be trying on the hat. I will be posting pictures and videos. But just for now, simply because I took out my hair and I did not take out my braids. If you know, you know. It will not be cute, so no make no sense doing that. I just finished one corner and it looks so pretty. We're gonna do the exact same thing to the other side. This is very sticky. I did tell you guys already that this applique smells kind of like gasoline. That's the best way to describe the smell. So I had to make sure that I aired it out before I actually use it for anything else because it really does smell bad. So this is how the hat looks. Obviously, I put it outside in the sun so you can just see how it's shining, how it's glistening. It's rhinestone, so it's always going to look beautiful as soon as the light hit it. And this actually turned out so gorgeous. I love it. Love everything about it. I can't wait to wear it to go see Beyoncé next month, so it will be perfect. Bye guys. Just one more look at this masterpiece. This smells like glue, so that's why I need to air it out first before I can start packing it up. But it just looks so gorgeous. I love the way how it turned out. Look at it. Oh, it just looks so stunning. Alright, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next YouTube video. Bye.